Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Now we are going to make a new dish, Pudina Paneer rice. The main ingredients of this dish are Pudina and Paneer. So before watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon for instant notifications of video and share to your friends. And other ingredients are kaju, ginger, garlic, lemon, coriander and green chili, salt, oil. The spices we use for this dish are jeera, ajwain, mirchi powder, turmeric powder, mustard, coriander powder. Now on the stove, take oil in the pan for tempering. Add jeera, mustard, ajwain and turmeric. Then add mirchi, garlic,
చేతి మీద పట్టుకొని
ginger. Now add pudina, Pudina is very healthy. Use now and then in all your dishes. Mix well until it cooks well. Add 1 spoon of salt now. Then the rest we add later accordingly. Add dhania powder, jeera powder and little half tablespoon mirchi powder. This dish is not only healthy but also tasty. Cook until it is soft. Now you can add the other ingredients, paneer and also the kaju. See, now it is ready to mix with rice. After mixing with rice, you can serve hotly and you can eat. Thank you. Now add rice as required. Now mix well. See, look at the rice. It looks delicious. With paneer, green pudina, cashew, garlic. Now, as it is done, serve hot after garnishing with coriander. Leave it for 2 minutes. It will be cooked well. Add lemon to the rice in the last. It gives added taste to the dish.